No Hair Crew hair removal cream designed for men. What is it anyway? How do you apply this product? And what are the benefits and advantages of all of this? This is an alternative option to shaving your hair. The package contains a cream, and this cream can simply be applied to the areas of the skin where you want to remove the hair. Just apply a fairly thin layer of this cream to the corresponding area, and then wait for a period of time ranging from 4 to 6 minutes, depending on your skin and hair type. Once this waiting time is over, simply take a standard washcloth, lightly moisten it, and then remove the cream, including the underlying hair, easily. Advantages of the whole thing are that the hair that eventually grows back is not as stubbly, one has significantly fewer problems with ingrown hairs, and it takes about 3 times longer for the hair to grow back. The question that I am usually asked after all these explanations is, does it also work for the intimate area? The answer to that is, there is this cream specifically for that.